Now, what happens is, just like when you're taking a trip, you may put a down payment on your trip. You may give your travel agent some money to put down to hold this beautiful resort for you. It's the same thing in real estate. You put a deposit down. All of these items will show on the settlement statement, and I'll just give you a brief explanation of this in a moment. What you take away from the gross amount of money that you're paying for the house are the items that you've already put down, the deposit. Your mortgage will now show. So the total amount of your mortgage will show, and that decreases the amount you have to bring to closing. And then any credits from the seller. Maybe the seller gives you a closing cost credit, or there's any other item that gives you a credit. Maybe your mortgage originator has a credit. It's a no closing cost transaction. So you add up all of those items as well. You add up all of the deposit, the mortgage, and any credits to you, and you then subtract that total amount from the gross amount that's due for the sale price. It's at that point where you have the amount of money you're going to bring in. That first page summary will tell you exactly what it is you have to bring to closing. Just like on your trip, you will see your itinerary, you will see all the items, the commissions, the taxes, and any other ancillary items that you paid for this, maybe insurance for your trip, whatever the case may be. They're all listed there. All of those added together are the total cost of your trip, not just the cost of the resort. So if we look at the form to get a better understanding of all this, we're looking at the first page of what would be called the HUD, that's Housing and Urban Development, the settlement statement. These are the numbers that you will be given by the law office when they're telling you what to bring to closing. And the HUD is it's a standardized federal form. It tells you the buyer and the seller, the address of the property, and the closing agent. In other words, the person who's conducting the closing. There's some other items up there, but those are the most pertinent ones to you.